To find your FreshSales API key, you'll need to start by logging into your FreshSales account and accessing the home screen. From there, click on the profile icon located at the top right, which will prompt a drop-down menu to appear. In this menu, select the Personal Settings option, denoted by a gear icon. This will take you to a new menu with several buttons at the top. Click on the API option. You will then be required to confirm that you're not a robot, after which your API key will be displayed. There are 3 different API keys available. One for managing contacts, accounts, details, and sales activities, which is usually the most common, another for managing phone integrations, and a third for integrations. The specific key you need will depend on the requirements of the service provider. Finding your FreshSales API key is a straightforward process. And if you have any alternative methods, feel free to share. The API key is necessary for connecting other software to your FreshSales CRM, and having access to it can be useful for online businesses.